All right, we're ready to start a new vocab unit, still in Unit 1. This topic is called WH word questions and yes, no question words. We're first starting with the first chunk, WH word signs. The first one, who. Who. In class, I showed you that there was actually 3 signs that you could, or 3 variations of those signs that you could see with who. Who being one, who or who. The next one, what. What. You can also shortcut that with a one hand. The next one, where. Where. The next one, when. When. The next one, why. The memory aid I talked about in class is this, you're signing you want to know why. The next one, which. Which. The next one, for. Again, for. It sounds funny when you say it out loud, but truly it's interpreted as what for or why did you do that. The next one is very similar. It's this sign, means do. Again, funny to say out loud, but it's interpreted, or the meaning behind the sign is what are you doing? What did you do? Or why did you do that? Okay, and again, you're using your facial expressions for that. The last one, how much and how many. So who, what, where, when, why, which, what for, what are you doing, how much, how many. Let's go to yes, no question words. There's only 4 of them. The first one, have, like, want, and need. So that's have, like, want, need.